Kat's the VA here and Teacher Kathy. I'm going to show you how to use Mailchimp. Mailchimp is like an email list software, and there's lots of different ones out there, but this is the one that I use, so I'm going to show you how to use it, okay? So let's jump in and get started. But right before I do that, don't forget to click on that subscribe and that like and that bell, okay? All right, here we go. Let's jump in. So before I show you the page, Mailchimp is kind of like, there's lots of them out there. Mailchimp, Constant Contact, Fervor, I can't think of any others, but there's a whole bunch of them out there. I like Mailchimp because it has a free version. I don't know that all those other ones do. And this is a place where you can have people sign up to be on your email list, and it collects all those emails in one place. So that when you create things like an email or a newsletter or whatever you want to call it, you can send it out to your whole email list at once, and it doesn't have to be where you're individually emailing each individual person. And then you can also use this as like a sign up thing for people to sign up on your email list by giving away freebies. Like for me, I have one set up for a free reading lesson for my TPT store. Okay, so that's one way to collect emails. I haven't come up with a freebie yet for Cats the VA, but I need to do that so that way people can sign up on my email list and get notification of newsletters and things like that. Creating the landing pages can be done in Mailchimp, and then you put those links on your website. I can show you how I did that. Creating the freebies, creating newsletters, and it's all designed and done within in this software. And I also recommend it because it has a free version. I think I already said that. So some of the things you're going to see may not be in the free version, but it's a good way to get started. Okay? So let's go jump in and look at it. All right, so here we go. So the first thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you the emails, okay? So when you're creating emails, I'm just going to show you one of mine first. So this is one of my latest ones that I put out. It was a little while ago, and this is, I just basically send out emails with links to my YouTube videos. And this takes people right to the YouTube videos, except this one's not showing up for some reason, but it's there, I promise. Let's refresh and see if that helps. If I click on it, it'll take us right to the video. There it goes. So it is a video link. It's just for some reason not showing up on that one. So you can create emails like this, and you can create templates to use. I've just used one of their templates. So let's go in and check it out and see what it looks like when we use one of those templates. So I'm going to go on Create New. I'm just going to put in test for the email. Okay. Email, newsletter, it can be a newsletter. You're going to click which audience, which list you want it to go to. And then you're going to click here if you want to add tags or not, you can. I like to always check that and personalize the send, and that makes it put their first name in there. Subject, so we're just going to put test subject. Okay, you can put a preview of your test preview. And then you can choose when to send it, so you can schedule things. Okay, just hit save. Oh my gosh, so just going to click that one. Okay, click a specific time. All right. Save. Okay, so now we're to the content. So design your email. So now I'm going to use one of my templates that I've saved. I have some templates already saved that you can create your own templates, and you can choose. As you can see, they have a whole bunch of templates. I've saved some templates already, so I'm going to go ahead and just apply this one to it. And then it's going to say, blah, I'm going to say no thanks. So there it is. So now I can click on this, and it pops up a box where you can edit all of the text. You can edit your header and upload an image, which I've designed in Canva. And then here, this is a YouTube link. So this is the link directly to my video. And ta-da, there you go. You can also add all other kinds of images and all kinds of stuff. Click on Save when you're done. And I'm just going to click Finish Later because I don't really want to send this out to my list, okay? So when you come into Mailchimp, when you first look at it, if I click on Campaigns and I go to All Campaigns, we're going to see here that template, oh, it's not showing up. I put it under this one. Yep, there it is. There's the test one right there. So there's the test. And so it still has an edit here because I haven't sent it, and we can go in and edit anytime, so you can save it anytime. So that's how you can create an email/newsletter. All right, so now the other thing I wanted to show you is the landing pages. So if you look here at my website and I click on Catch the VA email list, this is a landing page for my email list that I designed on Mailchimp, and I took the URL and I put it on my website. So let's go in and see how to do that. So we'll do landing page, and we're going to click on create new. We'll do test again, and it's the same kind of format. Look familiar? Okay. I'm going to click on this. We're going to click on that. Hit save. Subject, we're going to say test. Subject. Test. Preview. Save. I'm going to skip the send time for right now because I already showed you that part, but here's the design. Same kind of thing. You can choose a template from them, or you can create your own templates, which I have some right here. Okay. Hit apply. And there you go. We're back into this. Let's go back for a minute. Let's do this. Let's go back. I'm going to click on edit design. It's already saved it. Okay, so there you go. And then once you put it in there, it saves. Save and exit. And then if I want to hit send, it'll send it out to my email list. But I don't want to do that right now. So let's go back in here to all campaigns. Let's go to landing page. And there's the landing page right there. So the URL you're going to want is right here. If you click copy URL, and then whatever website you have, you're going to want to go ahead and put that into your website. Okay? All right, let's go up here. Let's go to draft. Yep, there's my test right there. Test landing page right there. And there's the second one. But we're not going to use those. Okay, so there you go. So I hope that helps. So landing pages, email software. Oh, checking your audience. If you click on this, you can see your audience. And one of my lists only has 5, and it shows you all kinds of analytics of how many people are opening it, not opening it. To be able to get to those emails, you click on all contacts, and there they all are. Sign up forms. This is where you can click build sign-up forms for people to sign up for that email list. Surveys, subscriber preferences, inbox. There's all kinds of things in here. You can even do a website on here, which I don't have my website on here. Your content gives you creative assistant. There's all my content, and you can put your brand in here. So look, I forgot to say that. So you can put your brand in here and put things in here that you've designed in like Canva, which is what I've done, and then it'll let you use that as templates, okay? Design library, there's some other templates in there that you can choose, and your brand kit, you can put that in there, and it'll help you design those templates if you want to have those in your emails or newsletters. So there you go. All right, so I hope this helps. I hope it helps you understand what Mailchimp is and how to use it. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to ask me down below, and I am more than happy to answer them. And I hope I'll see you again in future videos. All right, bye-bye. Thank you.